Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Office Lens on your iPad. Office Lens is a Microsoft Office app and it can be found in your self-service area. Office Lens is really good if you want to use it to take an image of a document that you then turn into Word, or you can have that document read to you. Say you've got a tricky bit in a textbook and you want some help reading it, then Office Lens is a great application. So if you open up Office Lens, what you'll see is it opens up what looks like a camera because it's Lens as in a camera. So what I've got here is a textbook and I want to have this paragraph read to me. What you'll see at the side there, this textbook is a document, so in the choice here I'm going to leave it on document, and to take the image I'm just going to tap on the white circle. That now takes a photograph of the page. As with any photos on your iPad, you can edit them. So if we didn't like that photo, we could bin it and start again. We can crop it, we can rotate it, we can add some text and we can draw on it. I'm quite happy with this image, apart from I want to crop it a bit. So I'm going to crop. I'm going to use these guidelines just to take away the bits that I don't want and leave the section, the paragraph that I'm interested in. Okay, once you're happy with that, you just go down to the bottom and tap Done. And again, you've got more options at the top, you've got further options, or the same options again, in order to edit further, but I'm happy with that, so I'm going to go down to the bottom and tap on the orange Done. What we can do here then, this is how are we going to use this image. We can export it straight into Immersive Reader. If we just simply want this read to us, then tap on Immersive Reader. And it's working there, and it's opening up an Immersive Reader, and so we've got the play button here, we can play
Energy for transport. Most transport uses fuel.
So you can see that's a great function for having a piece of text read to you. If you wanted to do something different, go back up to the export, and this time we're going to put it into Word. So it transfers it into a Word document. Once that stops spinning, I'm just going to tap on this document and it opens it up in Word. Now I still might want this read to me. So once it opens, there we are, we've got the function in Word of the Immersive Reader. So we just open View and then we slide that across. We can change various features along the top, but I'm quite happy with how it looks. So
Energy for transport. Most transport uses fuels such as petrol and diesel.
And again, that's it, saved as a Word document. I've had it read to me, and if I wanted to edit it, I could do it there, or I could have the next bit read in the paragraph. And that's how to use Office Lens on your iPad.